Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get started with Libby through its mobile app for Apple and Android devices. Libby is a free website and app created by Overdrive that provides library patrons with access to ebooks, audiobooks, and digital magazines. Halton Hills Public Library users can check out up to 10 titles at a time through Libby's website and app. Titles can be accessed online with an internet connection or downloaded to a mobile device to read while offline. To begin, go to either the Apple App Store on your Apple device or the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for the Libby by Overdrive app using the search function and install the app onto your device. After opening the app for the first time, you will be asked to confirm that you have a library card. If you do not currently have a Halton Hills Public Library card, please visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to learn more about how you can register for a card. After confirming that you have a library card, select the option to search for a library and look up the Halton Hills Public Library in the search bar and select the option to connect to the Ontario Libraries Service Consortium. You will now be able to sign in with your library card. Select the Halton Hills Public Library as your main branch and enter the complete barcode from your library card number and your PIN, which is typically set to the last 4 digits of your phone number. You are now ready to begin reading with Libby. From the homepage of the Libby app, you will be able to browse new releases and special collections and filter the collection for new materials, popular releases, immediately available materials, or by specific subjects. Using the footer bar at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to search for specific titles, series, or authors, access the homepage, your account settings and tech support, your borrowed materials and holds on your shelf, and view your activity history. To search for a title, tap on the magnifying glass symbol at the bottom of your screen and enter your search terms into the search bar. As you type in your search terms, the Libby app will automatically suggest titles, authors, or series that are similar to your search term. If what you are searching for appears, tap on the search suggestion. Otherwise, tap on the magnifying glass in the search bar or hit the Enter or Search keys on your keyboard to complete your search. Once you have completed your search, you can further filter your results using the Preferences and Refine options. These settings will allow you to filter results by format, language, audience, media supports, availability, and subject. You will also be able to sort your results by relevance, popularity, release date, date added, or alphabetically by author name or title. If a title is available to borrow immediately, you will notice the word borrow appear next to the cover of the book. Tapping on the borrow button will allow you to read or listen to your title and access the title in the future through your shelf. Once you have opened your book, you can tap on the right-hand side of the screen to move forward in your book or the left-hand side of the screen to move backwards. Tapping on the center of the page in an ebook or digital magazine will provide additional options, including adding a bookmark, enlarging particular sections of a page, adjusting the font in a book, searching within a book for a specific phrase or term, and seeing your bookmarks within a book. Tapping on the center of the page of an audiobook will provide you with additional options, including adjusting the playback speed, setting a sleep timer, adding a bookmark and notes, and viewing your bookmarks. Items on Libby are automatically returned when the loan period expires. If you would like to renew a title or return an item prior to its due date, you can do so by going to your shelf and selecting the Manage Loans option. If you require any additional support while using Libby, tap on the center button of the footer bar with 3 lines and scroll to the bottom of the screen where you will see a section for help and support. Tap on the option to get some help and enter your question into the search bar at the top of the screen. Thank you for joining us to learn about the Libby app. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out either by phone, email, or stopping by to visit us in person. Happy reading!